Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I posted a couponing video, but I do have a Walgreens video for you guys today. So these deals started today, which is Sunday, November 6th, and they are good up until Saturday, November 12th. But before I get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you would go ahead and click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload new videos. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into these deals. Okay guys, so on this transaction I used a digital booster, get $10 in Walgreens cash when you spend $50, and then I also combined that with a paper booster, get $9 in Walgreens cash when you spend $40. So everything that you see here was completely free, plus a $1.54 moneymaker. I used 2 rebate apps. I used IBOTTA, and then I also used Fetch Rewards. So let's go ahead and get started. So with the Finish Jet Dry Rinse Aid, this is priced at Walgreens for $4.99. We do have a $1.50 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $4.99 minus that $1.50 digital coupon, that brought my total down to $3.49. And then if you check IBOTTA, IBOTTA does have a rebate for $1.25 back. So $3.49 minus that $1.25 that I received from IBOTTA, that brought my total down to just $2.24 for this. And then next up, I purchased 2 of the Todd Liquids, and these are priced at Walgreens this week at $11.99. And the deal is when you buy 2, you will receive a $5 registry reward. So I purchased 2 at $11.99, and that brought my total to $23.98. I did use 2 $3 printable coupons that I printed from the PG Good Everyday website. So I used a total of $6 in paper coupons. So $23.98 minus the $6 in coupons, that brought my total down to $17.98. And then I did receive back this $5 registry reward for purchasing 2. That brought my total down to $12.98 for both, or it makes each one just $6.49. But of course, I did not pay that price. And then next up, I went ahead and I purchased this nice sunflower kernels. And the only reason why I purchased this is so that I can get to my $50 mark. So this right here was just 99 cents. And then I also purchased the Huggies Pull-Ups New Leaf along with the Huggies Pull-Ups Nighttime. And these are priced at Walgreens 2 for $21. There is a 3 off of 1 digital coupon for the New Leaf and a 2 off of 1 digital coupon for the Pull-Ups. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive back a $4 store coupon. So you're going to purchase both packages for $21 minus the $5 in digital coupons. That's going to bring your total down to $16. Then you will receive back this store coupon for purchasing 2. So $16 minus this $4 store coupon, that's going to bring your total down to $12. Then you're going to submit your receipt to IBOTTA for $5 on the package of Huggies New Leaf. So $12 minus the $5 that you will receive back from IBOTTA, that's going to bring your total down to $7. Then you're going to go ahead and go over to Fetch Rewards. Fetch Rewards has 2 rebates, 1,500 points for the Pull-Ups New Leaf, which is $1.50. 1,500 points for the Huggies Pull-Ups Nighttime, which is $1.50. So you're going to get back a total of $3 from Fetch Rewards. So $7 minus the $3 that you receive from Fetch Rewards, that's going to bring your grand total for both packages down to just $4 or $2 each. This is a fantastic deal, you guys. So these are all of the items that I grabbed in this transaction. So now let me go ahead and show you all my receipt. So there is the Jet Dry for $4.99, the Huggies Pull-Ups at $10.50, the Huggies New Leaf at $10.50, both Todd Liquids at $11.99, so $23.98, and then there are the sunflower kernels at 99 cents. So right there where it says point coupon purchase, that is my paper booster, get $9 when you spend $40. I also used a $6 register reward on this transaction. There are my 2 $3 Todd Liquid coupons. the $3 digital coupon for the pull-ups, $2 digital coupon for the pull-ups, and there is my $150 for the jet dry finish. So it brought my subtotal to $32.46. Of course, I have to add back in that $6 register reward that I used. So $32.46 plus the $6 register reward that I used. That actually brought my subtotal to $38.46. Then I got back a total of $19.50 in Walgreens cash rewards. $10 came from my digital booster, get $10 when you spend $50. $9 came from the paper booster, get $9 when you spend $40, and then the 50 cents came from the Walgreens everyday points. So $38.46 minus the $19.50 that I received, that brought my total down to $18.96. Then I got my $5 register reward for purchasing the 2 Todd, along with my $4 store coupon for purchasing the pull-ups. So $18.96 minus the $9 in rewards, that brought my total down to $9.96. Then I got back a total of $3.25 from Fetch Rewards. I got back $150 for the new leaf, $150 for the nighttime, and then some extra Fetch Rewards points, totaling me $3.25. So $9.96 minus the $3.25 that I got back from Fetch Rewards, that brought my total down to $6.71. Then I went ahead and I submitted my receipt to IBOTTA. I got back a total of $8.25 from IBOTTA. The $1.25 for the jet dry, the $5 for the pull-ups new leaf, and then I was working towards a bonus to get $1 when you purchase 15 offers. So I got $1 back from that, and then I got back $1 for the jet dry bonus that I didn't even know that I was working towards. So that was a total of $8.25 that I got from IBOTTA. So $6.71, and I got back $8 from IBOTTA. That made this transaction completely free, plus a $1.54 moneymaker. So this was a fantastic transaction for me, you guys. So if you all enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comment section what you all are grabbing from Walgreens this week. Don't forget to submit your receipts to IBOTTA. If you are not using IBOTTA, I will have that linked in the description box below, along with my code on the screen for you. When you sign up using my code, you will receive $10 when you redeem your first rebate through IBOTTA. Also, if you are not using Fetch Rewards, I will have that linked in the description box below as well, along with my code on the screen for you. When you sign up using my code, you will receive 2,000 points, which is $2. So again, that is going to be it for this video, you guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next one.